Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. We have another decorative product of IKEA today with us, which is Hourglass. The decorative Hourglass features a classic and elegant design. The minimalist styles makes it versatile piece which can complement any traditional to modern home decor. The product comes in two sizes. One is 10 centimeter, another is 15 centimeter. So the price of the product, which is 10 centimeter, is around 399 in INR. And the smooth finish of the glass and the clear view of the sands from the glass is evident that how perfectly the product has been designed. It's a great buy if you are looking something to decorate your home. I hope you like this video. For more video like this, do like, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.